Shahi Paneer is one of those dishes where the real magic lies in the gravy, which is rich, creamy, and full of flavors. And the paneer, that's just a delicious bonus. And you know what's the best part? It's surprisingly easy to make at home. Firstly, let us prep the ingredients before we start cooking. Take a handful of cashews and soak them in hot water for about 5 minutes. Once they soften, blend them into a smooth paste. This is going to give your gravy that signature creamy texture. Grab a couple of onions, chop them roughly, and blend them into a fine paste. No need to cry, this step is quick one. Take 2 tomatoes and blend them with a couple of dried red chilies. This adds not just color but a mild heat that makes the dish pop. Finally, for the prep, in a bowl mix some curd with turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, and coriander powder. Stir it in well until there are no lumps. Here's a quick tip. Mixing the spices into the curd beforehand helps prevent it from splitting later when we add it to the hot pan. Now that our prep is done, heat generous spoonfuls of ghee in a pan over medium heat. This not only gives a rich flavor but also sets the tone for a royal dish. Toss in a bay leaf, cumin seeds, cinnamon stick, a couple of cloves, green cardamom pods, a few black peppercorns, and one big black cardamom. Fry them until they are fragrant. This is your aroma base. Next, add in onion paste and saute until it turns translucent. No need to go full golden brown here. We are just softening and mellowing the sharpness of the onions. Add spoonful each of ginger paste and garlic paste. Cook it down till the raw smell disappears. This step is key to building that deep earthy flavor. Add the cashew paste next and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes until they are well toasted. Now pour in the tomato chili puree and a pinch of salt. The salt helps break down the tomatoes quicker. Cook till you see the oil begin to separate from the sides. Lower the heat and stir in the curd mixture we prepped earlier. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the raw smell fades and the masala is beautifully blended. Cover the pan and let it simmer on low heat. Give it a stir every now and then to prevent sticking. You will know it's ready when the oil floats to the top again. Next, add in fresh cream to take the richness up a notch. Stir it in until the gravy is smooth, silky, and utterly luxurious. Cover it one last time and cook until you see the oil separate again. This layering of flavors really builds up the gravy. To adjust the consistency, instead of adding water, pour in some warm milk to thin out the gravy if needed. It keeps the dish creamy without watering down the flavors. By the way, how many milk products did we use? Count them and tell us in the comments. Bring the gravy to a boil and add a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors and give that hint of subtle sweetness that makes the Shahi gravy shine. Finish with a sprinkle of roasted kasuri methi for that irresistible aroma. Then add the paneer, which is cut into cubes or any shape you like, and gently stir it into the gravy. We are adding the paneer at this stage to prevent it from crumbling during all the earlier stirring while making the gravy. Cover and let everything simmer together for about 5 minutes so the paneer can soak up all that rich gravy. And there you have it, a truly royal Shahi Paneer made the Desi way with love, depth and flavors. Serve it hot, garnished with swirl of cream and a pinch of kasuri methi. We highly recommend pairing it with some flaky laccha paratha or butter naan for the ultimate experience. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy cooking!